In this video, I'm going to show you everything about affiliate marketing and how to make money from other people's products. Also, I'll provide some tips for getting started. Make sure to keep watching this video until the end if you're interested in learning more about this exciting business opportunity. Hey there, welcome to Smart Mentor, your favorite place to increase your knowledge. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to make money by promoting other people's products. In this type of marketing, you earn a commission for each sale that you generate. It's a great way to make money online, and there are a number of ways to get started. But before we start, hit the subscribe button and smash the notification bell so you can continue increasing your knowledge in an easy and entertaining way. And if you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comment section, and I'll answer them as quickly as possible. Number 1. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing, in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. The industry has 4 core players: the merchant, also known as the retailer or brand; the network, that contains offers for the affiliate to choose from and also takes care of the payments; the publisher, also known as the affiliate; and the customer. The market has grown in complexity to require a strategic approach to matching networks, merchants, and affiliates. It is now common for consumers to shop online, and affiliate marketing has become increasingly popular as a way for website owners to earn commission by referring visitors to products or services offered by other businesses. Number 2. How does affiliate marketing work? When a customer clicks on an affiliate link and makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission from the merchant. The amount of the commission depends on the terms of the agreement between the merchant and the affiliate, and can range from a few percent to full payment of the purchase price. In some cases, affiliates can even earn commissions on products that they have not directly promoted themselves. For example, if a customer clicks on an ad for a pair of shoes but buys a different product from the same merchant, the affiliate may still earn a commission. Number 3. How to find products to promote as an affiliate marketer. Choosing the right products to promote is essential when it comes to affiliate marketing. After all, you want to be able to generate commission from sales, but you also don't want to end up promoting products that no one is interested in. So how can you find the right products to promote? A good place to start is by looking at what your competition is promoting. See what products are selling well and try to identify any gaps in the market. You can also attend trade shows and industry events to get a better understanding of what products are popular in your niche. Another great way to find potential products to promote is to reach out to companies directly and ask if they have an affiliate program. By taking the time to do your research, you can be sure that you're promoting products that will appeal to your target audience. Number 4. How to create effective affiliate marketing campaigns. When done correctly, affiliate marketing can be a great way to earn passive income. However, there are a few key things to keep in mind when creating an affiliate marketing campaign. First, it's important to choose the right affiliate program. Make sure to select a program that aligns with your niche and that offers products or services that your target audience will be interested in. Next, you'll need to create compelling content that will drive traffic to the affiliate link. This could include blog posts, social media posts, or even videos. Once you've created the content, be sure to promote it across multiple channels to reach the widest audience possible. Finally, it's important to track your results so that you can optimize your campaigns and ensure that they are as successful as possible. If you want to know more, stay tuned until the end of the video, because we have much more useful information that will help you achieve your goals easily and effectively. Number 5. Tips for making more money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to earn money, but it takes more than simply signing up for a program and posting links. To be successful, you need to put in the time and effort to build relationships with your audience and create content that is relevant and useful to them. Here are a few tips to help you get started. First, choose the right affiliate program. Not all programs are created equal. Do your research to find one that best fits your niche and offers products or services that your audience will be interested in. Second, create quality content. Whether you're writing blog posts, creating videos, or curating a newsletter, your goal should always be to provide value to your audience, which means creating content that is informative, entertaining, and useful. Third, promote your affiliate links thoughtfully. Overpromotion will turn off your audience, so make sure to strike a balance between promoting your products and providing valuable content. Fourth, be patient. Earning money through affiliate marketing takes time and effort. Don't expect to see immediate results. Instead, focus on building a long-term relationship with your audience. Number 6. The cons of affiliate marketing. While affiliate marketing can be a great way to generate additional income, there are also some potential downsides. First, it can be difficult to find quality affiliates. There are a lot of people who are simply looking to make a quick buck, and they may not be willing to put in the work necessary to generate real results. Additionally, even if you do find good affiliates, their success is not guaranteed. They may not have the same level of commitment or skill as you do, and their efforts may not produce the desired results. Finally, affiliate marketing can be extremely competitive, and it cannot be easy to stand out from the crowd. If you're not careful, you could end up spending a lot of time and money without seeing any real return on investment. Make sure to leave a like on this video and hit the subscribe button and smash the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Now, to continue your personal growth, I recommend you watch these videos here. Thank you so much for watching.